Hey guys, it's Catfish, back with another video. And on today's video, we at the Midwest Connection car show, man. There's so many damn cars out here, man. It's crazy. This copyright music is everywhere, but I'm still gonna do a video. I don't care. They gonna have to do what they gonna have to do, man. I really don't care. I'm gonna go on and do what I gotta do. So here we go. It's a lot of cars, man. You got my boy Alex. He brought the Vanderhall out today. Yeah, buddy. This is my first time seeing it. Yeah, this thing nice, man. Yeah, it's an automatic too. Yeah, he done did interior, did the seats and everything. Yep. We got Monte on 32s out here. Y'all follow my buddy, man. We got Monte on 32s out here. We got Dane out here. Got the lights going. Got Swervo 2 times. There you go, right there. Talk to him right quick, bruh.
What's the word, brother?
Yes, sir.
We live or we
out here.
We don't live? We live?
Yes, sir.
What up, love? What up? Yeah, y'all. Hey, y'all ain't here.
Hey, we got Monte on 32s.
Y'all already know what it is. Gang, gang, gang. Whole lot of gang shit.
What up? What up? What up? What up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We got Dane out here. We got Mama Swervo.
Hey, hey.
Oh, we got Papa Swervo too.
All right.
There you go. Oh, Lord. Who is that? It's Star Queen.
What's up?
With 3 wives. What's up,
No,
girl?
I didn't even think I was gonna see you here today. We got here early, that's why.
No, I got here at 3 o'clock. She, fuck that.
You got here at 3.
At 3. Yep. Oh, we got this other knucklehead. I don't know where he at. They got Rolling with Sean out here. They got the whole lineup. I ain't see Lil Head. See Lil Head sitting over there chilling. I ain't even see him. He got Snow looking good. He got the wheel. Look at it. He got snow all over the air. Got the things on there. Look at it. There go my guy right there.
For my dog, Catfish Corner, let's get it, man. Make sure y'all do that, man. We definitely appreciate y'all for real.
Look at it. He got that bling bling around the neck.
Oh man,
I had to break out a little. I had to break out a little shum. I know you clowning, boy. You got Alpina. We got the whole gang out here, man.
See, I'm in the cut with
Yeah, I seen you over there. I got you already, man. You in the cut over there. Ooh, look at this right here. Y'all see this SS? Oh, it's a big block. It's a 454. Yeah, this is a 454, y'all. Got another, man. There's so many cars out here, y'all. This is crazy. Look at this. Another Vert. Yeah, we got the whole gang. We gonna walk, man. I'm just gonna walk and let y'all see. I'm gonna go from side to side. Look at this. It's almost over. Huh? Okay. Oh, look at this. Yeah, that's my boy right there, man. YouTube. Oh, there, look at it.
Hey, you the one that did stole a car?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember this?
Yeah. Look at this, boy. He over here clowning. Got the Equinox looking good. Why they playing all that music over there, man? They killing me. Let me see. That's all right. I can still get it. I can get it. Oh, you got the big screen, guys. You got the big screen in there too. Look. Got the big screen in there. Got the sunroof. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Got the flip down in the back. The big one too. Yeah. Yeah, he clowning a little bit, y'all. Yeah. All right, man, I got you. Yes, sir. I got to get away from this copyright music, man. They killing me. Ooh, look at this. 73 Caprice. Ew. Oh, they got to get my boy car on here, too. I don't care if they copyright me or not. Look at this. Ooh. Look at this. another Caprice. Got another Caprice over here, but this blue with the white is pretty. Y'all see it? It's pretty. Got the Armani Ford steering wheel. Yeah. Why they playing all this damn music, guys? I gotta get my boy over here. What up, what up, what up?
Yeah, you know I got something cold for you.
Look at my boy. My boy. That's my boy. I know, I see it. Yeah, guys, he got the model of the car on the car. Y'all see it? The same rims. Let me see, can I get y'all a close up? Y'all see it? Yeah. Yeah, this is my boy car. This is nice. 72 Chevelle. All Malibu, all he did was put some rims on it. That's it. Left it just like this. That's how clean this car is. One on the car too. Man, that Malibu's nice. Look at this boy been playing this music. I got to go though. Boy, my boy got his tent set up. Got this pretty truck over here. There's a whole lot of Chevys out here, boy. I'm finna walk over here. I probably won't be able to get all the cars, people, because there's so many. But like I said, the whole gang out here, man. Yes, sir. It's Trans Am over here. Everybody playing music, man. I'm gonna go this way. Another Malibu. Another SS. That boy nice. SS's out here today too, a bunch of them. All these pretty SS's out here.
Oh, you scared that here, bitch? You the worst. What's up, baby? What's going on, man? How you doing? I'm good, boy.
We got a Tesla. We got a Tesla out here too. Got the Tierra grill on that Chevy. The whole lineup. Got my boy. Y'all probably ain't never seen one of these. It's a Pontiac 2+2. These cars are rare. It's like got a back seat. The notchback. This is Monte Carlo.
It's Thursday. So my video Atlanta with the kids.
Here it is, Monte Carlo. Y'all see that big ass bottle in there? He ain't playing. He ain't playing. Got the Billy Specialty steering wheel. Thing is nice.
No, there you go, there you go.
See, they over here talking stuff.
No.
I ain't gonna be bothered with them though.
You buy from me?
And this the car that I just did Wednesday. Yeah. Put my hands on it. This Grand Prix right here, the Grand Prix nice too. Yes, sir. Look at the seats. He got the steering wheel too. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff out here, guys. Bunch of stuff. We'll go get my boy over here. This boy know he got a clean car right here, boy. Woo, this thing clean.
You know we gotta keep him right, baby.
Yes, sir, boy.
Gotta keep him right.
Look at him, look at him, look at him. He cutting up.
Yes, sir.
He cutting up. Look at him. Look at him. Talk to the people for a
Have it
minute.
no other way, baby.
Look at it.
Yes, sir.
Thing clean, man.
Thanks, man. I appreciate that.
What's up?
Yeah, I'm coming from a real car
I
guy.
had to get you on my channel, bruh. This thing is nasty, guy.
Thanks,
And see,
man.
he got the exhaust the way it came from the factory. He didn't do that straight out the back, man. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's get it right now. Get it right. Let's get it right. See that GN? This thing right here, though. Look at the lip. I see the lippage on that thing. Inside, immaculate with the billet specialty steering wheel. Look at the dash cluster, guys. And it's signed. It's 28. See the Pro Charger. He ain't playing no games with this thing. I remember when he first got it. It was on my channel when he first got the damn thing. Now look at him. He cutting up now. Y'all see it?
Yes. You gotta be ready to pay for that, bro.
And it's pretty. Look at it. Got the billet specialty wheels on it.